If you're experiencing jams that occur in the Impressia's fuser, especially when printing envelopes, there may be a buildup of glue inside the printer. This buildup occurs sometimes after fusing when heated adhesive along the edge of the envelope flap seeps onto the internal parts of the printer just behind the fuser assembly. To clean these parts, first open the side cover and remove the fuser assembly. The glue buildup may not be noticeable but will be found on the edges of the flap diverters, a row of plastic fingers that help guide media as it exits the printer. You can find a Phillips head screw in the center of these flaps. Use denatured alcohol and cotton swabs or lint-free cloth to carefully clean all of the diverters within 2 inches left and right of the center screw. Also, clean the ridges on either side of the screw shown here in red. They're located at the very top of the exit assembly. These must be cleaned or the jamming issues will persist. Also, clean the head of the screw. Allow the parts to dry thoroughly. Then replace the fuser assembly and close the side cover. Repeat this procedure if necessary to remove all residue.